All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to walk you through our next project. So this is a 2023 Ford Bronco. So we're doing a stereo upgrade on this. We're gonna be swapping out the front stage on this vehicle. So we're upgrading the dash speaker, kick panel speaker, 5-channel amplifier, single 112 subwoofer, and then obviously all the wiring and installation. This is actually a gorgeous truck. So it's got the large screen radio, it's got full 360 view cameras. It technically should have had the audio upgrade, but it came with the subwoofer delete. So again, the truck is amazing, other than the fact that the stereo is just absolutely brutal. Hey guys, so we wanted to show you some of Honda's amazing wiring work. So this is the Kenwood Exelon 5-channel that's going in the 23 Bronco. But so as you can see, just wanted to show you the level of detail, right? So Honda dressed all the wires, so they're all wrapped in the Tesa tape just so it looks like a factory harness. All the connections are heat shrunk, obviously red being power, black being ground. All your speaker terminals are heat shrunk, and everything is plugged in, and he makes a nice neat harness so that what's in the vehicle, it'll actually look like it's part of the vehicle. We're running speaker wires directly to every single speaker. So this way we're not using any of the stock harness in this car. We're actually running our own lines directly to each driver. All right, so this is the factory speaker that comes in the vehicle. Obviously it's, you know, thin plastic mounting bracket, and we're putting in a kicker aftermarket with a better driver, better tweeter, but we need to machine a bracket. So if you can see, this is a 3/8 thick piece of composite, and what we do is we machine it. It's actually a exact copy of the original speaker. What that allows us to do is mount to the existing bolt location, so we're not making any new holes in the vehicle. So what'll happen is, and as you can see, we gasket where the speaker meets the adapter. There's a gasket, and that will seal the speaker to the adapter. And then we use the 3 factory mounting points to bolt the speaker to the vehicle. We also do a piece of deadener. As you can see, it's kind of cut out in the shape of the adapter. So what this does is it goes on the sheet metal, and then we cut the center out, and the center actually lives behind the speaker. So now this creates a gasket for our adapter between the adapter and the sheet metal of the car, but it also deadens the area behind and around the speaker, so giving us more mid-bass and less chance of rattle. So this is the gear that we put in it. So we put in a Hertz 12-inch flat sub, a Kenwood Exelon 5-channel, a set of kicker 4-inch for the front, and a set of kicker 6.5-inch for the kick panels. On this particular system, the client opted to not upgrade the rear speakers, and I have to tell you that it sounds incredible. Even without the rear speakers connected, there's a ton of output. It sounds amazing. We went with this enclosure that's rhino lined, and it is actually bolted to the rear tailgate with 4 nut certs. And then obviously we have the Hertz Audio 12-inch sub with the grill to protect it. And as you can see, it doesn't take up much space at all. If you're looking at it dead on from the back, it doesn't protrude much from the original tailgate bump out. So you're not losing a ton of usable space on this. One of the other things that we like to do quite a bit, we like to install a bass knob. And we don't just like mounting it to the underdash where it's difficult to reach or you have to fumble for it to find it. So what we do is we take it apart and we customize it and mount it in the steering wheel shroud usually. The reason for that is because it's very easy to reach. Obviously your hands are on the wheel. You just reach down, adjust the level, and then you're back to hands on the wheel. So it's a really nice touch that makes the system much more usable. Now, as far as the amplifier goes, so we made a custom bracket that mounts the amplifier right here under the seat, so you don't give up any usable space in the vehicle. Floor mat still fits perfectly, so it fits right in there, so you don't have to worry about having to trim the mat or anything. It's just a really nice, simple upgrade that gives you tons of output over the factory. I mean, the factory systems in these vehicles are just horrible. I mean, do a quick Google search and you'll see that They are just some of the worst systems out there. Now, as far as the speakers go, you can see they look 100% stock. All the grills are the same. None of that has changed, obviously, other than the speaker. You can kind of see it there through the grill, have been upgraded. The rear speakers are still factory.